Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you our Aviara 36 luxury day boat. We'll start off on the back of the boat. You can see you've got a massive swim platform for us here on the lakes. Great area to hang out. There is a hydraulic swim step underneath this platform that'll go down with the push of a button so people can sit in the water, climb back in and out real easy. A nice sun pad on the back. Everybody's used to that, but Aviara took it to the next level. One, we got the Make Fast Shade, which is a great system on here. Push one button, it just goes in and out. But check this out. If you have a lot of people in the water, maybe you're seeing fireworks show or something else, I can get 2 or 3 rows of people on the back swim platform of the boat. In the water, on the swim deck, a row of people here, these hydraulic benches on here. So really versatile cockpit in the back for as far as seating. Another nice thing is when you're walking in, you're loading up your boat, they have dedicated fender storage. 4 massive fenders, your little clips hooking right there, ready to go for your crew to grab the fenders when it's time to dock. You got a little storage fold over door there so nobody steps out the boat. There's a trash can here, very convenient, hidden everywhere. You're gonna notice the lines of the Aviara. They wanted everything clean. They wanted clean lines on the gel coat on the outside. They wanted no snaps on the outside of the boat, so it's clean lines. The upholstery is all clean lines too. Also on all the Aviaras, they upgrade the upholstery so it's cool feel. So it's 30 degrees cooler than traditional vinyl, the same color. So you can go with a little bit darker color and you don't have the heat. So, but now we're in the cockpit of the boat. Massive seating area, really great foam formed cushions. It really kind of holds you into the seat because you kind of slide back into the crack in the back. So it's comfortable, but the seats are cut. The foam is designed to do that on purpose. Great storage underneath, a lot of shade overhead. Let's check out how you're going to entertain your guest on the boat. On the 36 Aviara, we do have a generator on board, so we got plenty of 110 power. Right now we're plugged into shore power, but with that, we option this one out with 2 refrigerators, the pull-out freezer trays on top. Keep all your drinks, food, everything's right here where everybody is during the day. And it's time to cook. Look, you get a Kenya grill. You can get 1. Or if you wanted, you can get 2. If not, you got a nice little storage area right there. Let's move up here. There's actually a sink up here as well too. So you're cooking, you're entertaining outside. Nice deep sink. Even deeper on this side if you want to put some ice in there and some bottles. Has bottle storage there. Talk about food and drinks. This boat is loaded. We also got a carry-on cooler here too. But a lot of storage for food and drinks. As we're working our way around, like all the Aviaras, you're gonna have a lot of cup holders everywhere. This one we upgraded, charging stations there, got plugs there. Everywhere you go, you're just gonna see nice little fit and finish like that. All the speakers are hidden. Awesome sound system. I like they put this little trash chute, trash can right there. I got trash can in the back, trash can here. We even ordered this one with cockpit heaters in there. I also have heated seats on this one. It's an option to get heated seats on Aviara. Let's look at the dash. Again, clean lines, really smooth. They don't want a bunch of buttons everywhere. They did a great job. All your switches, stereo light controls are here on the left, so you or your co-mate, your passenger can do it. Navigation's in the front, engine information on the side. Super responsive fast boat. It's a 36-foot boat. It's big and it's heavy, but it's quick with these Ilmor 520 horsepower engines on them. You got to be easy on the throttle because you go like that and the boat jumps. So really, really fun to drive this big old boat with a joystick. This one also has cooled cup holders down here below. So the driver, you know, we put our drinks down there because we're driving, pull it back up, it's still cold. So really, really nice. Let's walk up to the bow and take a look. Huge open bow in the Aviara 36. The 32, the 36, the 40, they're all the same. They're big, they're tall off the water, it's a dry ride, but it's so deep up here. As an adult, it kind of swallows you, so you're safe in the boat. You can ride up here. It's fast boats, sporty boats, but when you're riding up here, not only are you comfortable, but it's also safe for anybody to be up here. Again, cup holders, speakers everywhere, storage down here. You put a table in the front, grab handles, a shade over the bow. This thing has so much. I'd love to show it all to you if you want to come out and see us. Now let's go look at cabin. Oh yeah, there's a cabin on this 36-foot boat. Look at this little cabin in a 36. One, I've got a microwave down here, a TV, a sound bar, seating down here below too. This can go back, it flips back totally flat. There's filler pads to go in here. Air conditioning, heating down here too, so you can sleep in overnight, or little ones can take a little nap during the day, or anybody gets too hot outside with a generator on board. Fire up the generator, leave the air on down here. Somebody come down here and cool off. Everybody else is still out in the water, and there's a really nice wet head and shower bathroom down here too. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at the Dallas Yacht Center at Pier 121 Marina. If you're interested in this 36 Aviara or a 32 or 40-foot Aviara, I'd love to help you out. Out here we also have Sea Ray Sundancer boats. We have a 400 SLX and also some cruisers yachts up to 54. Give us a call if we can help you. Thank you.